Starfish HQ. Please take your seats and use your treasure tracker to see what we can discover. Hold on to your brakes, recruits. We're ready to dive. Here we go. Master Diver here. There's incredible sea creatures and treasure to discover out in the deep. We're gonna have a whale of a time. Hundreds of fish here. Now remember, use your treasure trackers to record all your discoveries. When you spot some treasure out in the water, press the matching treasure picture on your screen.
Resident scientist here. Cool coral fact, recruits. Reefs form the home for hundreds or even thousands of sea creatures, all living together. They're home to a quarter of all marine life. In fact, corals are sea creatures too, called polyps.
Well now, our scanners are showing that some treasure could be close. Keep looking, explorers. You're off to a flying fish start. Like some more dive team are out here in the deep sea collecting some treasure they found. The water is full of exciting creatures and treasure. Keep an eye open for black-tipped reef sharks too. They can be spotted by the black tip on their dorsal fin. That's how they got their name. They may look scary, but they're actually really friendly. They don't seem to be taking any notice of our divers. I do like sharks. They've been on the earth longer than dinosaurs. Cool, right?
Don't forget about those stingrays. They're cool too. They swim in groups and use their wings to kick up the sand and find hidden foods.
Right. Brace yourselves, explorers. We're approaching the shipwreck. This is a hot spot for treasure. Looks like it's scattered far and wide. Locate as many as you can on your treasure trackers now. Well done, explorers. Okay, we're about to go even deeper to the very bottom of the sea.
It can be a bit hazardous deep down on the volcanic seabed. We'll have to be speedy. Some creatures are known to change color to match their surroundings, so keep a lookout for them. Recruits, this is our last opportunity to spot treasure.
Well, we've gone as deep as we get to. Now, let's head back up to base. Well done, explorers. It's been fun sharing the amazing secrets of the ocean with you. Remember, when on your adventures, always help protect the homes of these incredible sea creatures. One small good deed could make an ocean difference. Now, let me check my remote systems to see how much treasure you found. Whoa! Congratulations, everyone! Our mission has been a success.